so sick. So
Nice.
loud. Hello. Oh, dude.
Hello.
Hello.
Didn't see you there.
Yeah.
Yeah, what you said.
So it's been a few weeks. We're going to be doing another video today, and this time we'll be doing one on this right here. Oh, look at it, so beautiful. This is this is the Maxton design Mark 3.5 RS style rear valance for 15 plus STs. And if you're not good with your mark,
My ring looks crazy through there.
Oh, we got.
if you're not good with your marks, if you're not good with your marks, the Mark 3.5 is the 15 plus STs. All right, we're excited to put this bad boy on and enjoy its beauty.
Yeah.
I don't know what else to say. I think we're just kind of
It's gonna probably look a little funny with the dirty car and the really
right.
big bumper.
Yeah, it's
Don't mind that. We might throw some dirt on it.
real dirty here. Should have washed it before, but oh well. So we were over at North County Fair on Monday.
So you can't hear the music in the camera.
You just look like an idiot.
Oh, getting an angle.
Yeah, right?
Take the taillights off so we can get the whole bumper off, because that's what Tony said, and apparently he knows things.
Tony runs the show.
Well, I did it once before. No big deal.
Oh.
Hey, nice shirts, guys. Did you guys call and coordinate that?
I think so. No, we just want to wear the shirts every time we get together, you know?
We want people to know who he is.
It's like a little wives club.
Hey,
It's like when a band wears their own shirts.
it's like a book reading club.
When a band wears their own shirts.
It was easier when I was doing it by myself.
Yeah, OB. Why are you making things difficult?
Ah, that license plate light and something else.
Oh.
Looks good just like that. Which is,
Put this off to do the test fitting.
yeah.
All these broke. It wouldn't come out. You had to, you undo it here.
Oh yeah.
And it goes pop, 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 pop. Like, oh damn. Yeah, bro.
Good thing you're
Woo!
right?
Exhaust made that thing
Yeah,
dirty.
exactly. Duh. Oh, I think one still fits. Yeah, right here. There it is. Not anymore. Broke.
That's in the way, so it won't go
I think it's a manufacturing like clamp or
yeah.
point.
Yeah, like the dip point or something.
Yeah.
Should we just cut it down to like right here?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's do that. Ow. I mean, it's on there, but it doesn't fit like yours does.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess maybe. I don't know.
Mold's a little bit off.
It's just a reflector. In there? Yeah.
Sweet.
It looks weird without the taillights, and I'm having trouble grabbing it back without taillights. But at first glance, it appears to be like an MK2 RS.
Alright. So yeah, we got it in. Let's see here.
Without the lights in, it looks empty.
Without the lights, yeah, it looks funky, but let me look at the exhaust. The exhaust looks kind of centered well. Oops, wrong way. Yeah.
So, the tab that we just drilled a hole in is off?
It's not off. It's just that it's right here, and the mount is right here. It's a good
I feel like
inch
the Euro
off.
version might be a little bit different.
Probably.
Tony showing a little bit of midriff. Attaboy.
Big fat belly.
Gotta give them what they want.
Is it
Yeah,
a Disney movie?
I think so.
I don't know, whatever it is great. To make, we have a bobsled team.
Yeah, he was crazy. So like, I loved that movie as a kid, and the next time I saw the dude who played, I think his name was Leon or whatever, he was in Cliffhanger. He played the biggest asshole.
Really?
I was like, you're the cool guy from Cool Runnings. Like, how are you this jerk? Ruined it. Ruined my childhood.
You're a mean man.
Yeah.
Mr. Grinch.
He was kind of a badass though, but man, he was a jerk.
I think I asked for it.
Well, it's funny because when I was looking at my car,
RS style.
RS style, yeah. When I was looking at my car from the side, that spoiler is just too small, you know. I mean, I like the look of it. Even right now, I think it looks pretty solid, but it does need a RS style spoiler.
Or, you know, if
Or a Brian's custom
touch
spoiler.
Yeah, custom spoiler. Can't tell you guys what that is. It's still
In the
in
Not
the
printing.
Yeah, but it's very nice. Many people are alive.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Tony. We finished with the install. You can see right there, as you saw in the video. So I just want to kind of actually walk around the car and talk about a couple of things before we sign off for the day. Okay, so the first things first about the Maxton rear valance is that it doesn't quite line up with the factory. Excuse the road rash that I've got here a long time ago, but the factory, you can see that there's about a finger's width, I guess, worth of gap between the OEM bumper and the rear valance. Now, this is a little deceptive because the factory one actually had a little bit. It was probably about half that, so it wasn't flush. But I think if I were to have spent more time, we could definitely have made this, take it to a body shop and had flushed this out a little bit, so it kind of naturally curves in like that. That's kind of one thing. The other thing I noticed is that, you know, I might have to come in here and kind of push in on this every now and again because the fitment isn't precise, but I don't think it's going to come off. But it's just going to be one of those things I might have to come in and, like, you know, make sure that these are still hooked in there and secured. Other than that, though, I think it looks fantastic. I really do. It's kind of hard to see right now, but anyways, yeah, I think everything looks solid. It looks pretty cool. And then O'Brien has said, which I totally agree with, is that when you look at it now, it really needs like an RS style spoiler, because it's got that Mark II-esque kind of look coming out the back here. So, you know, I think like I mean, even wing risers might help. I do have some wing risers I just haven't put on because, like I said in the previous video, like I'll see the wing risers and I'll be like, but then I'll see my wing from this way. I'm like, you know, like I could do it. So I don't know, maybe I will compromise and pick up the RS style spoiler for the back. For the next stuff, I've been looking at wheels. That's kind of my next big project, and I think, you know, the things I've been looking at, which I mentioned in my Carlutions video for the year, is, you know, carbon fiber hood, newer headlights, the sort of, I think they're the Halo headlights, and I do want to get like a splitter, because now when you see from the side, it's not very, maybe it's not as noticeable, but I can see it as though rear valance is a little bit lower than the side skirts, definitely lower than the front part of the car. So I just want to get something to help sort of like tie that all together. So basically, you know, first impression is that I'm totally digging it. I think it's a really cool look. Expensive, yeah. So it was a little under $500 to get this thing shipped here, and then to get it painted was another $350. So, I mean, if they have it available in the US store one of these days, then it won't be so bad. But because it's only available in UK and you can't buy it in the EU store, you know, it's going to cost you. Although it's cheaper if you get it through the UK store because the exchange rate, I guess. So I compared the two, and, well, I mean, because I had to order it from the UK store, it's the only way I could get it. But when I did the price comparison, euros to dollars and then pounds to dollars, it was cheaper to buy it from the UK store right now, which is kind of surprising. So anyways, guys, that's it so far. really looking forward to the next sort of aesthetic project for the year. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We shall talk to you guys later.